Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to Java Learning, and today I'm going to explain you how to divide two numbers using the scanner class. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay guys, so first of all, before starting, I would like to tell you that I am programming on the BlueJ platform. It is a nice Java learning platform on which you can program Java codes and JavaScript so easily, but it's specifically made for Java, and Java and BlueJ can be downloaded easily from the website www.bluej.org. The link is given below in the description. You can check out from there. Okay, so let's see. For using the scanner class, I will import a package which is import java.util.asterisk, and then this. Okay, now I will write public class, and by writing this I will be declaring my class dividing, and then I will write as public static void main string args like this. Here will be p, and hence done. Now I will now I will declare the scanner class. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in int a b c, and now I will be printing through the user as system.out.println. Please enter the first number, like this, and then I will be storing the value entered by the user as sc.next int, like this, and then again system.out.println. Please enter the second number, like this. Okay, and now I will be writing p equals to sc.next int, like this, then system.out.println. Now first of all I will be carrying on the operation, which is c equals to a divided by b. However, there is something which I need to tell you. If I write here int, then it will take only the value before the decimal place. I will explain you right now. Just a minute. First, I'll complete the program and then explain you what this thing means. The quotient of the spelling, I believe it's wrong. I don't know actually. The quotient of the two numbers is plus c. This thing is being explained in the previous 4 videos. You can check out from there. And now, as you see, this is printed. Okay, so now this thing I'm going to explain you that why I'm writing double except from int. Double is also a kind of data type which stores it also stores integer values. However, but it also stores double, or you can say decimal integer values. If the user enters his first number as 3 and his second number as 2, then if I use double in here, then the output will be 2 upon 3, which is 1.5. But however, if I use int here, then after dividing 3 upon 2, the output will be only 1. So using double, you can also print the decimal values to get an accurate answer. Okay, so 1.5. This is just a comment. This is a comment statement. I will make a separate video on this, how to use these comment statements. Okay, so double, like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is this compile, and this compile, no syntax errors. Now we'll cross it up, and dividing void main string args. Okay, now you can see it is asking for my first number. I will enter. Let's take the same example 3, second example 2. So the quotient of the two numbers is 4. However, if I take it as, if I write here int, as you can see, like here int, compile it, and then yeah, run it right here. Then if I write 3, 2, the answer will be only 1.5 is absent because I've used an int. Okay guys, so this is how you can divide two numbers. We're using scanner class, and this is a very easy method. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and we'll see you in the next video of Java learning. Bye and thank you guys.